Hello, students. Today we are going to read the chapter, and that is a poem, The Rebel. And this poem has been taken from your book, Honeycomb. The poet of this poem is DJ Enright. DJ Enright. So, a passage has been given before you start this chapter. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Means the definition of the word rebel has been given. Means whatever you like, the person who is rebel, he will do totally opposite what you wish, what you want to do. And for that behavior of that child, this word, the rebel, has been used. You might have confronted with such children. So now I am going to first read the chapter. You should follow it and keep an eye on your book. Read loudly. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and read a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no, thank you. When everybody says, no, thank you, the rebel says, yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So, this is the poem. I have read this poem for you. And the rhythm and intonation of these words and the sentences, I hope you might have understood. Now, line by line, we will discuss and we will find why such child who has such behavior on the basis of which we can say he is rebel. In this poem, you see, he does what others don't. He likes to do what others do not like to do. Okay? So when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. If it is said that children, you must have your hair short, then what happens? If that behavioral child is there, he will let his hair grow long. He will not cut his hair. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So in contrast, you see, so every action has the thinking of the child who is rebel, his action is totally different. In opposite, he does. When he is told not to don't grow your hair long, then he will let his hair cut, his hair short. And when everybody has long hair, he cuts his hair short. So this is the meaning of these 4 lines, first 4 lines. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. He keeps quiet. If teacher wants to know that whether you are understanding the chapter or not, each and every child speaks yes sir or no sir, whatever it happens, but the rebel doesn't say a word. He remains silent. He keeps quiet. But when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance. In the middle of the lesson and middle of the lecture, he gets a stand and tries to ask some meaningless questions. Sure, nobody likes this behavior of that child. So when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When the teacher says nobody will speak, the rebel has to speak something. That is the specification. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses fantastic clothes. Children, you come to school in a uniform. Just to think about that child who doesn't wear a uniform. He come in fantastic clothes. Means general clothes. In general clothes, he comes to school. So how vulgar it looks like. He is totally different from others. So when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So when everybody comes in uniform, he comes in casual dress. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. Means if gathering is there, some people are there, and they are talking, they are dog lovers, and they are talking about the specific dog, he start admiring cats because he prefers cat instead of dog. But the most of the children, most of the people who are sitting over there, they love dog. But he expresses preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. In contrast, just to see, the opposite action always he tries to show. Means, whatever you like, I don't like. That is the attitude of that child. That is why he is called rebel. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Instead of sun, when all the people is talking about the importance of sun, or they praise the sun, and why do they like sunny days, in the meanwhile, the rebel says, no, I just like rain in the season. And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody talks about the rain, they like rain. In the season, we need enough rain. Then rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Vice versa he does. Whatever everybody, people goes to meeting. If everybody goes to meeting, he stays at home. He quarantines himself at home. He stays. He doesn't go out. But when everybody stays at home, he goes to for a meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Means opposite thing he likes to do. Whatever people or the group of people want to do, he is against of that want. He likes everything in opposite of them. It is very good that we have rebels. Just see. It is very good that we have rebels. Why it is said it is very good that we have rebel? Because They help us to look at life in a different way. Means, if in our society that kind of people will not be there, then the different way we won't be able to see. Means, the person sees the life in different way. The person who is rebel, he sees the life in different way. He does everything in different way. So we are very much grateful for them that rebels are also there, because in society you might have seen people are not equal. Their thinking, their behavior, their duties, and whatever they do, everything is different to each other. And rebels are also one of them, isn't it? So it is very good that we have rebels. It is very good because we are able to see the different kind of behavior, different kind of attitude, different kind of living, different kind of thinking of such person. You may not find it very good to be one. And also, in contrast, it has been written, this is the last line. This is the last line. You may not find it very good to be one. And in your life, or in anybody's life, he or she doesn't want to become a rebel. Why? Why he or she doesn't want to become a rebel? Because if you are rebel, so most of the people will go against your thinking. Because you do against the thinking of the society, then automatically the society will go against your thinking. So you won't get. That is why you may not find it very good to be one. That is why you don't want to become a rebel. So the nutshell of this poem, once again, I am going to tell you, a rebel is a person who does the opposite what everyone else does. When short hair is fashion, the rebel lets his hair go long, and vice versa. Means when everybody has short hair, he will keep his hair long. When all the children make a noise in the class, the rebel keeps quiet. But when everybody is quiet, he will disturb with his voice. A rebel dresses himself differently from all other students in the class. Sometimes he is the only one in the class without uniform. Also this situation you will find in the class. If rebel is there in your class, when other children come wearing fantastic clothes, he wears a simple dress. A rebel has no particular preference for any animal. If you love cats, he will love dogs. If you love dogs, he will love cats. When everybody wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain the most. When everyone desires a thing, the rebel refuses it at once. It is indeed good to have rebels in the society because they help us to look at life in a different way. However, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because people do not like rebels. They find it difficult to make friends. And if you are rebel, you won't get friend enough in your society. Dear children, so this is explanation. This is the description of the poem. And I have elaborated it. Now, I think you have understood the poem, and one by one you will come and narrate this in your own word. Okay? Thank you.